Plus this open window here that add light while you are cooking. We have already air condition here. You just have to buy your own king size bed. We have already couch ready in here. Hello, my dear peeps! Welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete, no other than Alma Almonte Folco. So for our vlog today, my dear peeps, I am here in Valencia, Negros Oriental, Philippines, which is the barangay is Bong-ao. That, as you can see at the back of my shoulder, my dear, I have a newly built home that is just I have acquired yesterday. So, I am very excited to showcase this home for you. If you're looking to purchase a property in Valencia and you are looking to purchase a 300 square meter lot with 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, semi-furnished, and it is gated and fenced along Barangay Road, this property is for you. So, welcome to our new home. I will show you first their living area, which is open space. So as you can see, we have already couch ready in here. You just need to buy a TV to place it in this very nice, modern design TV stand. So my dear, as if you're gonna want it to enjoy, you can also purchase your own aircon as the sala area. We don't have aircon, so you can just have 3 horsepower if you want. And let's go to the kitchen area. So this is where this is where your dining area here. So as of the time, the owner has provided 4 dining chair and a table. But if you wanted to modify or wanted to make it bigger, you could buy whatever you want. What I like the most in this kitchen, because it's very modern and it has a huge space for you to enjoy your cooking. Plus this open window here that add light while you are doing your cooking or enjoying your chop. So we have also already gas range here, so when you moved in, you can directly cook, and it already has an exhaust, and it has also cabinets. See, it's nice. So you can, if you wanted, you can modify. You can put like for your wine if you wanted to. And of course, my dear, this house has an extra bathroom that your guests can use. So this is the extra bathroom here. Oh, we have also refrigerator comes with a sale. So this is the common bathroom. It has also hot and cold shower that your guests can enjoy. And now I am going to show you the master's bedroom of this house. So when you get in, we have this hallway here that is dividing the bedrooms. So first, this is the master's bedroom. We have already air condition here. You just have to buy your own king size bed. If you wish to have king size or a queen size, so you can just place it here. And of course, a table or any improvements you wanted to do with this bedroom. And of course, it has also an Ensuite bath that you can use privately. It has also hot and cold shower. And now let's go to your guest room, or this can be your family room or your kids room, or can be an office. This room here, what I like the most is that there's a space outside, which is, you can see the greenery. So it is, you can open the window, you can bring the light in, of course the air, and it's quiet in this area. Also, you are very safe. We have also air condition ready. You just have to improvise what kind of furnishings you wanted to use in this room. And this house will be so pretty, beautiful indeed. Alright, now we're going to the 3rd bedroom. Simple enough, but it is nice. Right, so this is the 3rd room. This is quite smaller than the 2nd one, but you can have a 2 bedroom here, 2 homes or bed, or it can be an office. For me, this can be your office because perfect size. We have aircon, and as you can see, it has greenery outside as well. You can just open the window, air comes in. So there, I would like to show you the outdoor as well, so you can see how it looks. As I have mentioned a while ago, this house is newly built. This is just recently finished. So I'm very sorry if there are debris or a little bit of garbages. You can see, but don't worry about it. So when we go out, we could exactly see what is the front. So this is our front yard. So we don't have yet a parking garage, but if you wanted to modify, put a car park, you can more or less remove this beautiful tree or move it, transfer at the back. Anyhow, how would you want it to be? And then you can have this tree. We have mango. Isn't it so nice? Then you can have your hammock here. You know, you can enjoy yourself every afternoon with your hammock. So we have a small space here, garden in this area that we can convert into your laundry area in this side here. You can have space that you can hang your clothes, or you can have it like where you can put your grill. You just have to add some roof in here because this is still spacious. So that's all for today, my dear peeps. Thank you so much for watching our Living in Dumaguete. If you wanted to see this property, please don't forget to contact me. I have all my information below. And also, my dear peeps, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, tell your friends that we have Living in Dumaguete vlog. So, see you again. Love you.